Okay, so it's about 7 o'clock at night, and the bees are coming in. An idea. This is and it's Warre style. The boxes are Warre style, but they've been modified in the Langstroth design. And you see how gentle my bees are. I am just sitting here like this without a bee suit on, and I am really close to the hive. So bees right now are really being good. Earlier they were fine too. I just wouldn't go in front of the hive at that time. So I'm going to take you over to another hive that I'm going to be moving. Okay, this is the hive that I'm moving. Again, you can see all the bees coming in. And I've just got it next to the petal, which we really need to clean out and do some fun things with this summer. Hello, quail. You hear my quails? All I've got are roosters left, so we don't even have eggs. So anyway, here come the girls. As soon as they're all in, I'm going to seal it up again. I have very vocal birds, if you hadn't noticed. Oops. There we go. Yeah, I can see them all come in. And once they're all in, I'm going to seal them in with duct tape. And we're going to move them to another location because a friend of mine has a hive that I suspect has some Africanized tendencies, and her grandchildren are getting attacked, so we're going to be moving those bees out to the swamp. So here's my favorite hive this year. That other hive over there is a flow hive. They don't work for our area. They just don't. Oh, and my berries are in bloom. See these purple flowers? We're going to have some yummy berries to eat this year. They have huge thorns on the bushes, so I'm going to have to definitely, oops, train them back. Alright, so there's my 2 little colonies. I actually have 3 more boxes to stack them up higher when I go in to do my treatment for them this next week. I'm going to do an oxalic drip. Okay. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this little peek into the hives. One of these days I'll take you in for the actual honey harvest if I have someone who can help me. It's really too hard to shoot and be in a bee suit, because you definitely need to be in a bee suit if you get nervous around bees like me when you're inside the hive, because those sentries that keep buzzing me, they actually sting when you get in there around their queen. Alright, so we'll see y'all next time. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. You'd like to see more about how the bees create my honey and fun things you can do with soaping. Alright, till next time, bye.